after staring at the truck for a good hard minute, I decide I need more tools. Already I'm seeing an enormous flaw with my plan. What happens when I need a left angle impact wrench? Yeah, that's terrible. Don't mind me. I'm gonna go drink that brake clean now. Oh, I'm gonna get deep inside you, boy. Girl, whatever. Sometimes you gotta get really intimate with the engine if you're gonna know its wily ways. In this case, I am trying to detach. I'm gonna spit on the engine first, I guess. It's a little bit of lubricant. Detach the trans fluid stick shaft thing, dipstick words. So right back here, in the most obnoxious spot possible, is a little 9/16 bolt that I need to get my fingers on. Well, get this wrench on. And then we also have the motherfucking, get out of the way please, wiring harness to deal with. Oh, it's on. Oh my God, it's in. I gotta pull this and hope it breaks loose on the first try. Give me my glove back! Ah! Okay. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Just thank you. Here. Hit it. Hit it. Is this? Hold on. Am I listening? I hope I'm listening. God, that fucking. Ooh. No! It's when you drop a socket and you don't hear it go ting. That's when you have issues. Bell housing bolts. The bane of my existence. Among, other things on this truck. So I can't get my new tools at it. Go figure. It was recommended that you could take the wheel well plastic shielding out, but that's just way more trouble than it's worth. So, it's time for our good friend PB Blastoise to get in there and do his thing. So I bit the bullet and removed the plastic pieces inside the wheel well. But would you look at that? Room for activities. So I can get to that bell house bolt. I can get to that bell house bolt. And I can do it with a big old breaker bar. Or possibly that new tool I got. I don't know. Yeah, so come to find out, taking the fender plastic protection cover things off didn't do a whole lot of good. Go figure. So none of my tools fit up in there. And the one that did yeeted itself into fucking Narnia or something. Because I can't find it. Figured I'd check in with you guys and let you know that although the bell housing bolts are cracked free, now I get to try and get them out of there. But right now, I gotta find the 14 mil wrench that I dropped between the firewall and the main wiring harness. It's not on the floor, it's in there somewhere. So much fun! This bitch right here. Should be in big old cock tease. I got all the bell housing bolts out. I've started undoing the engine mounts. And those fuckers are just, they're on there. So, broke one of them free. The other one, I've just been hitting with a dead blow hammer, just listening to it squeak. So, it's already late. I don't want my neighbors to hate me more than they already do. So, went ahead and hit them both with some peanut butter Blastoise, and we'll check them tomorrow. I feel pretty damn good about tomorrow. It's going down. Yeah, it's fucking going down.